How do you convert JPEG to PDF? So I created an app. It's called ConvertSave, and it does exactly that. Converts and then saves. All you have to do is drag and drop your files in. So if I want to create a multi-page PDF or individual PDFs out of all of these JPEG files, I can select them all and drag them into ConvertSave. The multi-page PDF will be in the order that these files are dropped in here. So you could drop them in the exact order you want, individually or all together. And then I go to select output, I go down to PDF, and I can find multi-page PDF or just regular PDF. PDF will do individual PDFs of each image. Multi-page is going to put them all in one. And when I click on that and hit convert, it will save it right next to the original image. And so it's going to name it as whatever the first image is. And then it's going to be in the order that we put those images in there. So we got the first page, second page, third page right here. That's JPEG to PDF with ConvertSave. It does not upload your files anywhere. There's no downloading. It works directly on your Mac or Windows desktop. That's what I wanted out of a file converter. It also works for video and audio as well. So I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer. Pretty much just asked him, hey, I'm really sick of going to weird, sketchy websites for all my file conversions. Also, it kind of takes some time. I've got to go upload images, download them. I can only do so many at a time. Can we create this app that's like this drag and drop and just works on my computer? And he said, yeah, I think I can do that. So now we have this ConvertSave app. You can go to convertsave.com, or there's the link down below in the pinned comment. And there's so many different conversions you can do. You can do images, video, and audio. And there's literally hundreds of different formats that you can convert to, and back and forth and in between and up and down and everywhere, right? So hopefully you guys find this utility useful. If you do check it out, let me know in the comments down below what you think, how it's working for you, if you're having trouble with it. We also have an email, team@convertsave.com. So we've had people reaching out already that we've been able to help through the process. And also it gives us more information. Like there's hundreds of different conversions. So I can only do so much testing with each different little file type. And there's always going to be a case out there where maybe something does or doesn't work right or in the way you expect it to. And so I want to know about that so we can fix it for you. Hopefully you guys find it valuable, and there's going to be a lot more advanced features added very soon, or already, depending on when you're watching this video. That's ConvertSave. It's as simple as that. Convert, save. Thanks for you guys' support, and I will see you in the next one.